cup and told me piss in it. Nigga said the whip look familiar cause it's bitch in it. Gotta double up, put your wrists in it. Little freaky bitch in my ear like put your fists in it.
This is the first video, bro. I'm gonna do tutorials, bro. You know how basically to edit photos, bro. I'm gonna show you everything, bro. I'm gonna give you the sauce, everything, bro. So yeah, man, just subscribe, like the video, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna see y'all next day. Test, feel me? YouTube. So man, it is the day. Let me show you what you're gonna need to begin this tutorial type shit, you know what I'm saying? So let me show you. Let me show you, bro. This thing's tripping, bro. This you're gonna need, boom. Got it! You know what I'm saying? So I know niggas gonna be mad, be like, I thought you were using a laptop, man. Bruh. I'm gonna show you the rest of the apps, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You can do this shit on your phone for real, you know what I'm saying? It's not that hard, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just that I make it look hard, but
Bruh.
You know what I'm saying? So like the video, don't forget to subscribe, turn your post for notifications for more content, bro, for more sauce, bro. You know what I'm saying? Keep your sauce, sauce, and where your sauce at, nigga, where your
Hey. I rock a big speedboat, I be massaging. Hey. Get a GPS, I be massaging.